Adventures with Audrey. Today I'm doing Play-Doh slime. It's a variety pack. It has 6 different slimes in it. There's a regular slime, there's cloud slime, which I think you can make your own. There's crackle slime. There's super stretch slime, and there's foam slime. Whoa! Okay, there's the foam. There's the blue one's the foam. The red one right there is the red. That's the regular slime. That's the super stretch slime. And those up there, those orange and green slimes up there, and the green one are the crackle slimes. Let's get started. Which one should I do first? I think right now I'm going to do the cloud slime. I can't wait. Gotta set the box back here for a sec. Alright, here it is. It says Play-Doh cloud slime. Super cloud slime. The lid is red because it's... Whoa! This looks so cool! Look guys, it's even red. I am so excited for this. Whoa, it's so cold. It is so cold. Wow! The bottom is so slick, but let's get started. Wow, this is the softest thing I've ever felt in my whole entire life. This is like the best slime ever. Wait, I think it makes it... Whoa, that looks like a spider web. Whoa. Whoa. This could be super stretchy. What in the world? Whoa, it looks like a smiley face. Wow, it's drooping down. Man, now watch this, guys. This is going to be so cool. It looks like a snake. Ew, gross. This is, ooh, it's so stringy. Wow. Okay, I think I can make my handprint out of this even. I'm going to try to smash it down. Smash, smash, smash. Ah, smash. And spread it out. Ew. I'm spreading it out. There we go. It looks like such a big flat pancake. Then I'm going to push my fingers into it. Push my hand down into it. Whoa! That looks so cool. Look, guys. Oh, no. It may fall apart, so I'm going to squish it up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can still see that. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no! What? Alright. That was so cool. But I think now I'm going to do the super stretch slime. Oh no. It's stuck. It's stuck! Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. Finally. Jeez. Now it's pink. It's pink slime. It says Play-Doh slime super stretch. Wow. Oh my gosh. It looks so cool. Ew, it's so slick. Ew. It crackles. Ew. I don't believe it's super stretch. Wait. That is super stretch. Geez, that stretched so good. It's drooping down. This is so pink. You can also probably make your handprint, maybe. So I'm trying to make a handprint, but it doesn't work out too good. Wait. It's clear. Can you see me, guys? I don't think you can. Hi. Invisible. Hi. Invisible. Hi. Let's see if it can droop into the container. Please droop into. Whoa. That was cool. I think I'm going to try the 2 crackle slimes now. This one's orange and this one's green. Both says crackle. I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Yeah. Whoa! Cool! Look at the slime, guys. It has like little oats in it. It looks like cereal. Let's see if it... Ew! Ew, gross, guys. Gross. This... Oh, crackles! That's like the pink slime. This... Wait. Ew! That is so stretchy. I bet I can make my handprint out of that, or at least something. But I'm going to try to make a handprint. Spread. Oh no. Okay, so... It didn't show too good, but I think I still made a handprint. I can see YouTube. You see me, guys? Hi! I mean, look at those. Wait, I'm going to try to take one out. Show you guys. Look. That is one of the little Orby things. It's like hard little. They're like cornflakes. It's like cereal. It's literally like that Frosted Flake cereal. Now, let's see the green one. Ah! Whoa! It's the same type. Let's see if it works better. Okay, I don't think it works as good as the orange, but it still crackles. Ooze. Oozing. It's got to ooze down. Ooh, it oozed into the container. Wow. This is so fun. I love slime. It's sticking to me. Alright, now let's do this regular slime. Yeah, almost got out. There we go. It is yellow this time. This is like some of the rainbow colors. Yeah. Ah! Yeah! Cool! It's gold! Not actually gold. It's just yellow, but look how gold it looks. It looks so gold, guys. Wait. I can see you guys. I'm not going to eat the slime. I can see YouTube barely. I can barely see YouTube. It's drooping down. the snake. Ah, it's dripping. This is so stretchy. It's a tongue. Whoa, this is, whoa. Alright. This is so sticky but fun. Alright, last but not least, we have the foam, which is probably going to be messy, but that's what slime is messy. Yeah. 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 Whoa. Wow. I can, oh no, no. Whoa. This is so cool. Ew, it doesn't smell good. Which I agree, because most slime does not smell good. Some of it is scented and smells really good though. I'm trying to get it all out of the container as much as I can at least, but I'm trying to get it all out because then we can play with it. Ah! Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's like a hamster wheel. Coming. Alright. Let's stretch. Look at the foam pieces. Whoa, that looks like spider web. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. This, oh, let's see if you can twist it. Jeez, you can twist it well. Wow. This is such a fun time. This is, yeah. What in the world? This is so fun. I'm going to try and make a handprint. I just like handprints. Alright. Spreading it out. Spread. Ooze. Ew. Alright. Let's brush my hand down. I bet this is going to be the best handprint ever. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It looks so cool. There it is, guys. Alright. Alright. That was so fun. I cannot get close. There we go. So my favorite slimes were the cloud slime and the foam. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more from me, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye!